If you're on an Android device, it's a little different. You're gonna see a different option to connect. You will do this on your Android phone. For iPhone users, you can connect your carrier either on the desktop or on your phone, but for Android users, you're gonna connect directly on your device. You're gonna tap on that connect button. That's gonna bring you over to the Play Store. You're gonna download a completely different app. That app is dedicated to just call and text sync logging. So install that app, authorize Cloze, and then you won't have to worry about that app going forward. It'll just run in the background for you, logging all of your calls and texts for you. So this is one advantage for Android users, and really the only difference between the apps. For Android users, we can automatically track your text message history right from the device. Apple's got a lot of privacy controls, so we can't do that for iMessage. Okay, now let's do this in action. We're going to do this right on an Android phone. We're going to start off in the Connected Accounts section of Settings. Navigate to the Connected Accounts section of Settings, tap on Add, then select Phone. Then you're going to tap on the Connect button next to your Android phone. Tap on Install, then tap on Install again, and let the app install on your Android phone. Wait for that to complete. Then tap on Open, and then you'll log into your account. Use the exact same credentials you used when you created your Cloze account. Tap on Start Syncing and then approve the necessary permissions to allow Cloze to log both your call and text messages. You will then see the Call and Text Sync app import all of your call and text history. At this point, you don't need to use or refer back to this app anymore. It's going to run in the background. You can leave it there. It will continue to do its job in the background, logging all of your activity, but there's no need to refer back to it. Just let it run in the background and take care of that activity for you.
If you need any more help, check out the support section at cloze.com or email us with any questions.